Well, of course, we have seen Lord Frost talk about substantial changes being required when it comes to the Northern Ireland Protocol, in particular in relation to the European Court of Justice. And so you've seen talk now of triggering Article 16 potentially in November. That is now what is being discussed. And yet, amid that backdrop, the EU seemingly dismissing any change when it comes to the ECJ. In fact, the European Commission apparently telling member states that the role of the ECJ in the Northern Ireland Protocol is not up for negotiation, is not up for discussion. With von der Leyen categorically rejecting any concessions to the UK over the ECJ's role in the protocol, saying there's one institution that is ruling on European law, and it is the European Court of Justice. Interestingly enough, as Tony Connolly reports, Boris Johnson apparently raising the issue of the ECJ with the Polish Prime Minister. And we know recently we've seen several massive daily fines against Poland. And we recently had, of course, the leader of Poland's governing party in the European Parliament say on the ECJ, she's suing the EU Commission, though I wouldn't recommend it because I do not trust the European Court of Justice. He said, it is clear the ECJ is supporting the strategy of the centralisation of Europe. So it has its own political agenda. It's not an impartial court. Now, Lord Frost has met again with the EU's Maros Sefcovic. A statement came out after that meeting talking about them discussing the protocol in London, saying the talks have been a constructive spirit. There's been some overlap, but gaps remain substantial. The EU's proposals do not yet engage with the changes needed, including subsidy policy, VAT, and the governance of the protocol, of course, including the role of the Court of Justice. The UK position remaining that substantial changes to the protocol will be needed if there is to be a sustainable solution. But yeah, it appears when it comes to the ECJ, the EU saying it's not even up for discussion. Let me know what you make of that in the comments below, guys. And as ever, I'll keep bringing you all the very latest on this, so do make sure you have hit subscribe and the bell. And of course, as ever, thanks for watching.